We're going to part 3 for the water. We just got blasted. Ah! It's cold. Oh, jeez. Alright. Go.
So what do I have to do again?
Alright.
Run?
No, crawl right here. Then go through here.
Walk.
No, squat walk. Alright. Squat even lower. No, bear crawl. Bear crawl through that. Yeah, that's bear crawling. Go.
Oh, like this?
Yeah, bear crawl.
Through here?
Yeah, through here. Can you even see the water? You see that white right there? Right here. It's all the water. See? Yeah, run through here. Start from right here where I'm standing. And yeah, duck walk. Duck walk, little boy. Just do that like that. Oh yeah. I got more water than him. It's not fair. Alright, then go over there. Alright, crawl through here like this. Then go over here. Alright, go. See all that water right there. Yeah, he's done. It's fun though, isn't it?